What you doing?
Just showing around the backpackers while we're here.
Okay, nice. Well, let me show you around.
Nice.
Welcome to Island Vibe, Jeffreys Bay. This is where we stay when we're in JBay. Basically, we've got what we call the beach house, which is separate to the main building up there, where they've got all the dorm rooms and stuff. And then this is a beach house where we normally stay on the bottom floor. So yeah, let me take you through. So we've got a nice little chill space here. Also a nice little co-working space. The Wi-Fi is really good. As you can see, Lucy's busy doing the thing. And so usually when the guys have some time, they come out and come sit here and do a bit of tapping away. Some nice comfortable couches. And then all the rooms on the lower floor. Shall we?
Shall we go into one? Our one's quite tidy.
Oh, is it? Okay,
Yeah,
well,
yeah.
let's go check that one out. Make sure no one's in there. There we go. Nice double bed, super comfortable, warm blankets. We've got a bunk bed in the corner there. Nice little balcony outlet over there.
Nice.
So you can kind of just chill, go ensuite, shower, bathroom. Alright, let's just walk straight through my room. Sorry, Johnny likes to keep it a mess. But it's nice because you also got this nice little veranda vibe that goes straight out, overlooking the beautiful ocean, Indian Ocean, onto some beautiful white sand dunes. As you can see, today is nice and calm, it's not too windy. A little bit of a breeze, but clean. From here, we got easy access into our communal kitchen, which is where all the guests keep all their food. So the guys that are not on meal plan will end up cooking breakfast and dinners here, lunches as well. So yeah, let's go check it out. It's nice because the space is all really close together. Guys going out for a lesson over there. We got the fridge there, some gas stoves, kettle, microwave, everything you need, all the necessities. With a beautiful view overlooking phantoms.
Once I adjust my settings, there we go.
As well as kitchen windows. It's kind of a kitchen window. Cheers, bro. Have fun. Thank you. Alright, cool. I'm going to take you guys up now to the main section. This is where all the entertainment is, and as well as the backpackers' kitchen. So where they cook us all the lovely meals. And there's a beautiful view from up there as well. And then, yeah, let's go have a look. Oh my God. So this is pretty much the main building. You can look over here, you've got some nice green grass. The guys are chilling, busy sunbathing. Beautiful little seating overlooking the waves. On the left hand side, we've got the surf school. So as you can see, some nice fresh soft tops, as well as the wetsuits and stuff hanging out there. Some seating for breakfast, lunch and dinners. Donna busy enjoying her breakfast.
What up, Donna?
And then just over there in the corner, you've got the beer pong. Some nice nighttime entertainment. And the bar and the kitchen just over there. And then we've got a cool little pool table where we like to have some pool tournaments.
Hello?
The TV area, which we also use as our surf theory space. So we like to do video analysis over here. And whenever other surf theory needed. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, generally when the guys are doing their lessons, we'll come up here and we'll film from the top because it's got a nice beautiful view. Also where we get to see all the beautiful whales and dolphins this time of the year. So there you can see the guys are going down, some guys are going down for their surf lesson. This is the famous kitchen windows. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Stay posted for any updates that are coming to you live on Instagram, and obviously Rue's diary as well. So yeah, check you guys next time. Cheers.